Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 19 of marching through my minis. I can't believe it. Day 19. Okay, good. I was like, is it? Yeah. So I've got my little sticky note on here. Day 19. I have my $8 that I'm bringing every day for the month of March. And I've got my binder. All the dashboards and prop coins come from Brittany over at Budgeting with a Ginger. And I know Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner has some cute ones for March, and I think April. So I have not figured out what my theme will be for April. So if you have any ideas, I would love to hear it. So put our prop coins there. I don't know why I flipped past the bank. I know I have to put my $8 in here. So let's go. $8. Let's go to the paperclip. We're at number 4. Okay. I don't really need that yet. So I'm going to roll my D3 die. Whatever number it is will be how many prop coins I put down. So 1, 2, and 3. And then we just go through until we're out of prop coins. 2 for 5. How's everything going? All my procedures are done for the week. Still kind of waiting on like test results, all that kind of stuff. But I don't believe there's any room for concern. So that's how I'm moving forward until I hear otherwise. So all's good over here. I've been blinging so many dice. I'm actually developing a callus here, which is kind of funny because it's how I squeeze the glue bottle. Apparently, I squeeze it like my life depends on it. I don't know. So I'm working on a different way. Ooh, 3 got 3. A different way to do it so I don't cause myself pain because I have a lot of dice to bling. 1, 2, 3. Especially, I'm coming out with some new ones April 2nd. And I really want to get those all done before I put them on my site. Number 6 is getting 1. Poor 6. Let's see if I can, there we go. 2 for 7. One for 8. So we are going back to 1. And I have 4 left. Okay, 1 for 1. Whoops, I skipped 2. 1 for 2. And 3 for 3, but it's only getting 2. So we will leave the paperclip at 4 and start there tomorrow. All right, so let's get situated. Okay, so number 1 got 50 cents. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. We needed $1, so I can cross off 2 more flowers. So we just need 50 cents to save $3. And that one's done. And then number 2 got 50 cents as well. This one is from Chaos Budgeting. So we just need 2 circles. 1, 2 for today. And then we have 2 more to save $2. And then 3, looks like 3 got a bunch. Oh goodness. Okay, so 3 got $1.50. And that is exactly what we needed. So we finished the one from Rainbow Budgets. So we have $25.50. And then $25.50, $75, $1. So we saved $4 with our Hawaii State Bird, Nini. And then we need a new one for, so let's go to the front. Oh, this is a big one. Holy cow. This is a big one. Let's put this back. This is Cactus Makes Perfect from Becca Budget 777. And this one's going to save $10. And we don't even have anything to go to it. So we can't give it a good head start. Ooh, I hope we get all 3 for 3s for this one for the foreseeable future. Okay, number 4 got a bunch. So number 4 got $1.50. And what do we need for number 4? All right, this one is from Jamie R. in Budgets. So we can do 25 and 50. And then 4 more circles. So this one will save $4 when we are done. All right, number 5. Number 5 got $1.25. And this one is from Hey K Budgets. This one will save $5. It's Tuesday. All right, so let's do the 25. And then 25, 50, 75, $1. This will be a good save too. So normally I have anywhere from $2 to $5. Every once in a while I'll have a $6 one. And now I have that $10 one. That's going to take a while. Okay, we have another one from Hey K Budgets. Aloha. This one will save $2 and we can do 2 more pineapples. Just going to get a yellow. All right, that is good. I hope you guys are having a good week. It is warming up here in Vegas. It was like low 90s today. I think tomorrow is supposed to be mid to high 90s. I don't know. Ooh, we finished another one. This is from the traditional dollar. We just needed 25 cents. So let me put my smiley face over this last one. And this will save us $4. Set that there. We can put 50 cents into a new one. This one is from Steph and Budget. Candy, the Year of the Sheep. I might already have this one in here, but we're just going to keep going with it. This one will save $6. So we can do 1 and 2. We're just using the extras that I have, so it's duplicates are possible. All right, so we have 50 and 50. So $1.50 for number 8. And this one is from Becca Budget 777. So let's finish off the top row for that 50 cents. All right, and that was our dollar. So this will save $6. That dog is adorable. All right, so that is it. So we go back to the front. Let's put our prop coins away. And then let's see, we finished 2 of them. So we have 2 $4 ones. So we need $8. So that's what I brought today. So we're going to take that right back out. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. And stick that in there. And let's put our $8 in this completed. And I will do a randomizer at the end of the month to put that money somewhere. And then these 2 go in here so we can count those up at the end of the month and see how many I got through of my stash. So that is it for our little day 19. I appreciate you guys being here. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.